Now, technology shares are leading today's rally after Oracle's better-than-expected report. Should you, though, be buying more technology shares? Let's ask Zara Burton. She's been looking into that question today. And Zara, technology already showing some strong gains, up about 23% this year.
Yeah, especially when you look at on a year-to-date basis, it's really hard to argue with the performance of technology. One of only 3 groups that's higher this year. And even though it's had such a good run, RBC Capital really saying that investors should keep buying these shares, especially if you're light in that sector. And it's not just about people starting to buy software again as the economy improves. We heard that from Oracle today. But RBC also saying that tech firms, they've been increasing their dividends over the last few years. And of course, their research suggesting that's usually a sign of strength, leading to outperformance over 5 to 10 years. RBC says tech companies also are very cash rich, don't have a lot of debt. Earnings as well tend to do better when the dollar weakens because they do a lot of business overseas. And so that's a good hedge against any prolonged weakness that we should see in the US dollar. And then lastly, even if the economy recovers, maybe it's not robust, well, companies are going to be looking to technology firms to help them improve productivity. That should help them drive those tech earnings, Matt.
Hey, so this is a long-term play, but what about short-term? Because in the last 2 weeks, tech has come down a little bit.
All right, yeah, that's definitely true. But here's some short-term indicators that I want to pinpoint here. You remember yesterday we're talking about the S&P 500 and financials dipping below the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Well, technology, want to bring up this chart because technology, that index, has actually been trading above that and holding above that. And it's not been the case, as I just mentioned, for the financials and the S&P 500. Both of them have actually broken through both lines, leading some technical analysts to believe that the market has further to fall. Now, technology, that's held up better. It continues to hold up in these trying times, and some analysts saying, you know what, buy technology.
All right, hey, Zara, thanks very much for that.